Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo sa Sisian Pat ka Lamkhmat Banwanra ya ka nam kaburam ya ka Bhoi district hakaba Ngut na kisamla puli kani ka school kilawan hakakardan ka balay bat bahanriyo jong ka top 20 haka Resol Secondary School Living Certificate ka balapenmi da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education mentakski kini ki Ngut kisamla ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School ki genthop ya usara pande ubalayo khur hado sanspa ni phunruma Batwan hakakedan kebalai, kadba ka Nandini Kumar kebayo sanspa de bukhnai ma, kalawan hakakedan kebahendriyo, napdeng ki top 20 jong ki samla ki belapas bha hakjela. Nalor kita ki Ngut ki samla puli ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School, ka samla Quincy Kharsono, na Umroi Presbyterian Secondary School, kalawan hakakedan kebahnyo, da kebayo sanspa handu buprama, kadba ka samla Inesha Bakor Nongrum, na Nehru Higher Secondary School Umsning, kalawan hakakedan ke bakat sau jong ke top 20 da ke bayo sanspa handu Bhoi ma kejingla ajung kita ki saungut ki samla puli banwan hakathup jong ke top 20 napdeng ki bapas hakani ke Resol Sslc kalawan ra ya ke nam ke buram ya ke Bhoi district hi barok kawai bat kani ke peniru bakari Bhoi district kelanang kiyo syaprang syakmat hakapuli puthi kadang nyat ki senam ki por habayo banakran bat ke Nandini Kumar jong ke Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo ningkong kalai khobrei kerpang ni kino hikai Kikmi kikpa bat ka school hi barok kawai halor kiti ke jingla ka jongka banyo ya ka katan ka bahnyo ka jela bat pentip badailing ba ka jing 3 minute ka ba klem shong that ban puli nadu ka mensiam bakalala ban poi shakan ka thong naglyang ka samla Inesha Bakor Nongrum na ka Nehru Higher Secondary School Umsning kala penpaw ka jing skukmen bakalayo ya ka result ka baha bat 1 haka kadan ka ba khat saw haka top 20 haka jela ka samla Inesha Bakor Nongrum kala ajing ro ikinahikai bat kikmi kikpa Kibladan ringkat banyara pad ai mensiam ya ka hakinu ginu gijing kiba gaju kendo na kapor syakapor kala ai khoboru ekiwe ki para samla baki di banang ban peran kami ke mobile hakarukom ke badai kenang ba kanamlong mau jenthut hakapuli puthi ke jongki
Okay, we can take a photo. Kumba kami tengah so komen hi sikat deh ni klam dak kena nanti ban poi hadu kalis mo kumba kalong kumga ni ka result bomta te ngamla hi ro klam dak pau ga jinso yo ble kumba kalong ka khodi kini baro gede ke jingker khu bat ke jinga lam bujong uhi ho ni ju kan mo yo ke jing dwai ke hi ba hadu kat ni ba dengi klam expect long baro khoi kini ba ke de jing kerkhu ki bakat pang jong ble hi ya ka kun jungi ya king kesam jungi ba kumjuro ya ka school jungi hi barok kawi ladang bakla ka di after a very long time ba ka school jungi kan poi biang hakal skunde te lemba kan ga media mo ngaso man perbaw ka jung nguru ya ki no hikai jong school nadu por ba dangren I shailong iba shaiwan sa khamat hi te ga de jing yalam jong ki no hikai nadu English section ba kumjuro ya ki ni no hikai ki bala hikai ki secondary level kadi kejing trust ke jongki kejing la ke jongki ken banya lam ki ya ke khun ke jongi hadu kane hadu ne upot bamuta te ngasuban ai khoble ro kumju ya ki bhaing ba sem ki paralok porojor kinong hikai gi ba na po school ba na sabar kumju ki bala kersan ya ke khun ke jongi ba kumju ro om tang ha ke jong kuli ki jongki hindrei kersan ya ke khun ke jongi leng ba ki jing duai ro ni bon ha ki paralok ki buju phone ki buju grand ya iken but kisat kan mau bi ban ong bang set bu iki he kijing duai ban so thu ba kini borok ki dei leng ba kijing duai jong king ken ban ni yo ban ke dei so
kong nga smoke men mo bang la poi kong ne bang la yo result mo bha but nga ai ngu ru yo ble kram ga jinga lam jong u bat kijing ka khu jong u nga nam poi hi sha ne wala ngam da poi than hi sha khamat ru tang ba nga smoke men bang la yo ngoi kata ga result ka ba ngala ni pa ni tampan ko itin kai ke ba yai yang ai ke ba yai I'm sure but la ni the problem hanong no mo ki kaloi bang yarap kilong ki bakaloi ba bang yarap ni this principal ma ni long ibang kaloi ba ya ai mun sini ya sinang yang kumno bai ni de ban long ki kena ki batik sini untuk ki ban yang nat na bali ya ka laway ka babha mo magchat ang tangat-ahin so kentate man kasu kumtuteng kat balap ini ngajak pule tang badala de for example long kam stress hi untuk nyo pratika pele kat mutahi tuition ngalet I mo is tuition ngare session yang iban long bakloy ba mairu ban yara yang ngapol bang ada problems itu da ngalet tuition dan kama science long iba ibas pero kata tengam tak ada
Itu message ni.
message dia kalau work hard hi kalau kaba dan kampung mo ini kena school te bunyi ki budget ang baka mobile mo kalau kaba pensiun ki kena kata ka mobile ka dan ki advantage but ki disadvantages ko di mangi ki kena school kini dia benang buat penyun kami ka agar kom ka bati tang kata
Kung ai mo i-play ya ka jing ku ko lagi kung ka school di Indonesia di Pilihan Kesem berkunjung ai play ya ki mong hikay ki pala tre met but mensier but kin keshan ya ki kena but kin teach them with love and ki long kum ki thun na jong tinga ai play ki long hikay na do ki no hikay jo ke ini section di secondary class 10 teachers ki pala rish tom but mensier nomor patani ka jing boy je kani ka position hadu mang niru kadi tingba ka jing rish tom ka jong ki but kumju ru kadi ka jing minot jong inisha ka jing discipline ka jong inisha ka jing long resilience jong I ka bun give up ya ka ki jing e ru ya ki temptation ru di ka tahing isno pa mungkin pa ya ka jing I know but ka jing I play ya parok hoy dapat kumju ru ka ban I play ya ka di SEO office di Madam Ruby Das very joint director for last year after mark on all the principals of the school Joguri Bhoi district kumno bengla ban lift up like a percentage na ka di Bhoi district di ila area ki suggestion jong I and all the office staffs from the SEO also kwa ban I play ya ka jing support ka jing kushan ka jing I advise jong ki but everything happens good in the end. For school journey, Inisha ki 14 position, but your distinction in all and your 100 in science and technology. In our school, but there ki cannot get distinction ki long kandai English, ki long kandai Ngut, kasi ki long khat pram Ngut, health education khat niyo Ngut, science and technology khat lai Ngut, social studies pram Ngut, electronics kat kandai Ngut, but information and technology lain Ngut. Ini kita kena dipelayu distinction subjects na ke school jeng. Kubol ke bang akwa kena first thing they belong di pasmurid, but bagi dia bentai shitong. And second thing kita bentuan ke discipline. Amar ke discipline kita one thing which is very important ma kejeng ni. Pada dah kila don ni ke discipline tu akwa makin don ni apa consistency kin pakinum hak na katukan din lai ku choki anda ke jika mesti choki but let's see menta kin pun ke temptation students nowadays they fall into temptations do with everything and my encouragement is that please you cannot don't ever give up. Anything is possible if we set our mind to it. So encourage barok ki kena from the Bhoi district and all over the state of Meghalaya. They can work hard, they can be humble, they can learn the moral values and discipline.
For my results, it has been really good, and first of all I like to thank God for all His blessings. He has always been with me whenever I needed Him. And ma'am for always supporting me and all of us, all and the whole class, and all the teachers who have been through, who have worked together with me, and without them it wouldn't have been possible. And my tutor and my parents, of course, they have always encouraged me to work hard and to do my best. So I'm really thankful to all of them. It's just we need to be consistent. We have to we have to work bit by bit, but every day. We should be consistent with our studies, and we should not be distracted. We should avoid distractions and just keep doing our work sincerely. I was involved in sports as well. I used to play games and all during the recreation week and all, which was held in our school. And yeah, we should always we should study, but then at the same time we should also be involved into some games so that we are fit physically as well. It's not about how many hours we should study, but it's about if we study only for 1 hour, we should be sincere with that. We should study with full focus. So usually I used to study besides school is for 5 hours after school, and in the morning 2 hours. Yeah, you should be confident. You should have confidence. Self confidence is really important, and you should trust yourself. Trust the process. Trust yourself, and you will do great.
Yeah, on this today, when I got to hear the news, I was really very happy in knowing that she has got in the top 10 list. I'm really grateful to the school department, all the teachers, respected ma'am, who were always having an information and guidance giving towards, like whenever the result were being distributed, I think they will be giving some guidance and some tips that where she need to focus much more. That also really helped her in doing her in her studies to get much better year by year, and as she was studying from her childhood. So I think the total whatever she had been doing, get the knowledge from the school itself. And besides what she just now said, that she was working hard, she was having confidence that she can do better, and today she has got the result also. So she also happy, and I am really very very happy and excited as well.
Jong Alpha English High Secondary School nong po. Sa sisin pa nas ngong nungkong ay man ay ngu yu blay. Ya kan dik resort ko babaha kan dik snemro. Hoy kadon kijing tut kan dia ka kijing pun bana jong ki ya kan resort akasni Saturday ka ba dik syuti ya ki school jan baro. Lada day ba ni don ki kena school mutasi. Kijing ya syat kijing ya kemen kan long ka ba semua tak nak duduk tak kini kena school ke mi ke resort ki pas wan sekemat kini aban wan sha school lang ba ki mi ki pa rewal kat taru kata ke ding start jong ka mikliam board of school education bakila peni ya ka resort kan ka sngi bat kum ka principal ada sngo ngo shisha ya ble bat kum ju ru ya kinong hikai ya ki kemi ki pa ki ba kershan ya ki ya kejat but kumjur ya ki kena school khamtam ya ki kini ki ba wan chakman kumu soraf pande wan haka third position but kumjur in Nandini Kumari iba wan haka sixth position hajing changi don shu sa langut e kena ki ba kemi unti kumi kadiala sungo yo 92.16%. Piba Susing Tangsang yo 92.33%, Ashwarya Shah yo 91.83%. Resol jong kababaha jong kini kikna kadai nungkong nagajing tracy tong jong ki. Kajing long jong kini kena baro hi kini kibawan chakman. Nagajing tracy tong kajing betong jong ni na school kinong hikai bat kikimi kikpa. Nai nungkong ngai I dai kajing long babaha jong ki. Kajing long nyet sneng ko ngu sneng jongki. Kajing long ba kajing ya shimenta jongki haki program jong school baro lah po school ni shabar block level, district level, state level kini ki kena ki ju shimenta nakapor sakapor. But kuai ka bang aju I galong baro ba ki minot haki assignments jongki ki minot kajing ko jongki ki don kan ka regular study habit. But ke bang ayu iru begini kena kimde ki ba long distracted lani ki ba bun kam ki mobile lani ki serial lani ka kam ki ba kumni kumtai ki jushi mata ki kam kum sports lani ki quiz competition science exhibition ki program ki ba pe tingas nya ba ke kubor ke mga kwa ban ai ya ki kun ki ti jongi ki kena school jongi bang ngek scam na ki school baro ba minta ka snem hari Bhoi ngi don sakiwai bat ki school arkli ki ba poilang ha ke position jong top 20 ni ai kublei lang ya ki ru kunjo bat ngek scam ba ke kubor ke bang ngi kum ki nong hikai bat ki nong penya school ke long ba ki kun ki kti jongi ki dei ban so tho ba kan ni ka prthei ke dei prthei ki jinga kop jinga le bat ba kim la ban chu shong thai la ni ban chu e ki jing puli jong ki ban plak ni te ki ni ki tai ki ke ban shim no ya ka por jong ki ban chu plut por kai ha ki e ki ba shim no por jong ki na jing puli jong ki